From feelings, no say you really like me. You control my anxiety. Listen to my heart go.
Ladies, can you back it up? Can you back it up? Can you back it up? Back it up? Can you back it up? Back it up? Can you back it up?
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is gonna be a hair tutorial kinda. I am trying out this Bliss or Ali Bliss hair. It's 100% human hair. It's 20 inches Brazilian body wave hair. It came in this box, and it came with a couple of things. It came with the return and refund, like a slip. It has your order number, order information, product information, and then it also comes with a operating manual, your wig expert. What I just said? It has got your hair version, 100%, basically showing you how to wear your hair and what you got to do with the wig cap and cutting your lace and all that. So basically just showing you everything. The hair itself, I'm going to show you guys what it looks like right here before I even did anything to it. We did bleach the knots, and yeah, the bleach wig knots did get bleached. I did not pluck any of the hair at all. Like, I didn't pluck nothing. We just put the baby hairs. We didn't even cut this at all. The hair has no odor. Like, not even like that regular hair smell. Does not have none of that. It's like a loose density. It's like kind of like a lightweight hair. It's not heavy. I like it. It's gonna be easy for me to put it in a ponytail for a uniform because it's so like lightweight. I like the density. It's not super thick hair, like I said. So thick hair is harder for me to put in a ponytail when it's time for me to go to work. But yeah, you guys, I am loving this hair. I just wanted to come back and show you guys, or come before you guys, before I show the video. This is going to go after the video. What the hair is looking like. The hair definitely is a go for right now. I'm going to give you guys an updated tutorial, or you know, how I feel about the hair after it is done.
You know you don't I know exactly what you got in those jeans, and I know what it feels like, so don't you be mean. Don't be a stranger, girl, it's only me. Oh, tonight.
Okay guys, so to put the what is this called, lace wig on, we're gonna use this Esha, I'm sorry, Absolute Lace Wig Bond lace glue. I just wanted to come in and show you guys. It's gonna be my first time using it, so we're gonna put it to the test, okay?
Just kick back, show attention for what I'm needing. Oh, don't hold your feelings, just hold your feelings, because I just said so. Oh no, so let me know what you're needing. Damn. You know you don't I know exactly what you got in those jeans, and I know what it feels like, so don't you be mean. Don't be a stranger, girl, it's only me. Oh, tonight let's spend some time, don't wanna be lonely. Oh, just keep back, oh, don't hold your feelings, oh no, back up. Just kick back, show attention for what I'm needing. Oh, don't hold your feelings, because I just said so. Oh no, so let me know what you're needing.
This is my finished look for now. I'm not all the way glammed up yet, but this is how the hair is looking. It's so soft, it doesn't have no odor. We bleached the knots. We took it very well. It's not orange. I got my little baby hairs fleeky. Didn't have to pluck it. It's not plucked, so it came kind of like, I won't say pre-plucked. It might have been pre-plucked. I'm not really sure, but you know, Didn't have to pluck it. Again, I used the Esha Luxury Wig Fashion Absolute Lace Bond wig, and it's pretty good. But yeah, I love this thing. But no odor at all. Even we washed it at the top a little bit, and then it still look good though. So this is the 20 inches Brazilian body wave hair. Okay, and you can do your little piece. Come.
Hi friends. For the install, I did it. You know what I'm saying? I did it because she's my friend, but I don't do hair, but I will hook a bitch up. But follow me on Instagram, Deja Simone, DeziahSamone. Snapchat as well. My Snapchat, Liddy. Gotta go.
Okay, but yeah, thank you guys for tuning into this video, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.